In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your files in Dropbox with ease. Whether you're brand new to Dropbox or just looking to get more efficient, this walkthrough will show you two simple ways to upload, through the website and through the Dropbox folder on your computer. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your browser and heading to Dropbox.com, then sign into your account. Being signed in is essential because you won't be able to upload or organize anything otherwise. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page. Next to the search bar, you'll see a button labeled New with a plus icon. Click that, then choose Upload. You'll be prompted to upload individual files or entire folders. Browse your computer, select what you want to add, and click Open. Dropbox will immediately begin uploading your items. Keep the tab open and stay connected to the internet while the upload completes. You'll typically see a progress indicator so you know it's working. When it's done, your files are safely stored and accessible from any device where you can sign in to Dropbox. There's also an even quicker option right in your browser, drag and drop. Open the folder on your computer where your files are located, select what you want, and simply drag them into the Dropbox web page. You'll see a visual cue that the upload has started. This is a fast, intuitive way to add content without clicking through menus. Larger files and folders may take longer, so give them time to finish before closing the tab. If you have the Dropbox desktop app installed, uploading becomes even easier. On your computer, locate the Dropbox folder. This folder mirrors your online Dropbox account, which means anything you place inside it will automatically sync to the cloud. It's designed to feel like any other folder on your computer, but with the added benefit of backup and access from anywhere. To upload using this method, drag and drop your files or folders directly into the Dropbox folder. You'll usually see small sync icons appear, blue when files are uploading and a green check mark when they're fully synced. As long as you are connected to the internet, Dropbox will keep everything up to date online. Depending on your settings, your files may also remain available offline, so you can keep working even without a connection. And that's it. Two simple ways to save your files in Dropbox: using the website or using the Dropbox folder on your computer. Choose whatever fits your workflow and enjoy keeping your files organized and accessible from anywhere. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.